Alright, so here we got the, this was my first pistol actually, SIG P226. It's got a Mod Light PL350 on it. Just put a threaded barrel on it. We'll hopefully be getting a can for it later this year, we'll see. This was bought in Massachusetts, so we've got some 10-round mags. Now that we're in New Hampshire, these make great range mags, and the 18-rounders sit at home for nightstand duty. This is double action, single action. So I'm going to shoot 9 o'clock on my right. What do you think of that? That's nice. What are your impressions? First impressions.
That is very nice. Now, regulars on the channel will remember the Beard's TS9. The TS, the 9mm TS. That's about the best thing I have to compare it to, and this runs actually quite a bit smoother. It is really nice. So
what about it is smooth?
As far as like a comparison point against that TS, which don't get me wrong, is still a really good gun. The reset on this.
Yeah, that reset is crazy.
The ability to reset, get back on target, and get that next round off on this is really, really nice.
Part of the recoil mitigation is because we've got the light on the front. That does help.
Oh, sure.
It's also a full metal gun, so benefit there too on that. Right? But yeah, the trigger is definitely nice. I'm gonna try double action here. I'm gonna do 6 o'clock.
Yeah, it looks like that double action shot was slightly pulled, and then the rest of them was in a really nice group down there.
Yeah, quarter size. Good to go. I loaded up 2 more mags.
I'll aim for same position, 6 o'clock, and I'll start at double action as well. Looks like a decent grouping, at least from this angle. Sort of.
You're vertically grouped.
Yes, My windage is great. My elevation needed a little bit of work. But that is a long, heavy trigger pull in that first one.
Yeah, it disappears quick. I mean, it quickly turns into that single action.
Yeah.
I'm going to go for the center on the green target. I'm going to do a double tap.
All right, bigger holes.
Bigger holes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Probably that one.
I think 10 is right here.
Yeah, that sounds about right. The bigger hole. Let's see, so I got 5 here. That was aiming somewhere between here and there. It's a little harder without the. I mean, the dot was pretty precise with chunky irons. Consistent, not precise. Well, what's that? Precision versus accuracy. So that's pretty tight. That one was the double action, so a little off.
Right, and I think what happened with mine, because I shot down here, I aimed down here when I did the double action. I think this was my double action.
And then you tightened up.
And then I walked them back down to where I wanted them.
For the 4 quickies, I think one of these was the double, I don't know, but the next 3 were all pretty, well, it was within the box, the big box, or circle.
They all would have worked if you were trying to defend yourself.
That's what that gun's for. All right. You got a timer? You want my air?
Here, hold on. Got one.
Oh, you got one on your phone.
Watch.
Okay, cool. So.
And we're doing what? Double tap on the big one.
Yep, double tap the big one. Left, right, back to the big one.
Okay, got it.
And from a low ready. Or maybe just a low.
Threat. 7.6.
Did I hit the target? Your turn. I think I got those first 2 on that double tap were tight. The left one looks alright.
You got 2 tight ones, one pulled off to the right there.
For the right one. Oh, that was the last one.
Yeah, your last one pulled to the right.
Yeah, just trying to be quick.
And then
that right target, I don't know if I hit it, yo.
Yeah, I don't know.
It might have been that. Oh, I don't know. We'll take a look. Alright. Let me know when you're ready. Threat. Six.
And I can see I pulled.
You're down.
Yes.
On the big one.
Well, I'm down on the other one too.
Yeah, your left one is down. The right one, I'm not sure if it's...
The right one is probably slightly right and down.
Yeah, I see that one. Mine was probably slightly right and up. Alright, well, let's run it back. Just gotta wait 5 more here on this.
Alright.
So here we go.
I'll load that one up.
Alright, so that's good.
Threat.
Hang on, I'm not ready yet.
Oh. I thought you were.
Nope. I was getting my grip sorted.
Blooper reel.
Alright. Yeah, whenever you're good.
Threat.
It's weird. Taking your time to be accurate drops your time.
Slow is smooth, smooth is fast.
Yeah, that is odd, right? It looked like I was more on target. Maybe. Well, we'll know when we walk out.
Yeah, a little bit low on the big target, and I can't tell. I see one on the center of the bottom of the signing target, but
It's like, how did that get
I don't know. Actually, I think I do know which one it is. I think that's I think you pulled right on the first one you shot at that target.
That's possible.
Because I see a shot that makes sense to be a right pull on your second one.
Yeah, that's possible. Yeah. Okay. Threat.
And I'm pulling down. I can see that.
Yeah.
I know exactly where my two on
The left one are.
the right one are. I know exactly where
I
they
see
are.
where you're shooting. It's just off of the.
Yep.
Almost on the wood. Not supposed to shoot the wood. I'm pretty sure that might be where my right one's going up and over, like to the right, because that other hole wasn't there before. Sick. What do we got left? Alright, let's drop a flag and check it out. Hey, these two are for this one.
Yep.
These two are totally for that one. This one was probably that, because I pulled it, and I'm pulling both of them, trying to be quick.
Yep.
All of ours here, it's like, center mass hit. A couple good ones. I think these two might have been, one of those was from my first, and the other one had to have been from the second. Whenever I thought I was taking time, it felt like they were pretty close.
Yeah. But again, if you're thinking about if you're thinking about a center of mass hit,
good to go.
That's center mass.
Yep.
So
15 yards.
Right.
They rock. All right. We're having an accuracy competition. First one to punch out their 4 bullseyes in as few as rounds as possible wins. We'll switch off. Well, I'll switch off after 5 shots or 4, depending. And we'll just run till we get them all. think I'm a little right. All right, here you go. Harder than it looks.
Which is an overcorrection. I might have accidentally hit one of them.
No accident. As Bob Ross would say, put a happy little hole right there in the target.
But I think I could have accidentally hit one of the corners.
Maybe. Hard to tell. That contrast with the black is tough.
Yeah.
You're up.
All right, comment section. You remember those little half-inchers that we shot out at MSA? That's about what we're working with right now at about 10 yards. That last one pulled low.
You want to pop the flag in? Let's take a peek, see how we're doing.
Yeah, let's go take a look.
Progress report.
Progress report.
That one and the other one.
All right, so
Which one?
all of my shots, with the exception of I think 3 of them that were put over here, were meant for this. Okay, this is the last one that I put over here when I said I think that counts. This is the one where I'm like, I think I might have gotten one by accident.
Dang, dude. Nice.
You were really close on that.
I was really close, and I couldn't tell whether I hit it with the black. It's a tear away.
Yeah.
It's a ½ inch. Well, less than that.
That's not even the width of the bullet.
I need to do better work here and here. It's like I'm a little bit low and a little bit. That's probably this motion.
Yeah.
I know how to clean that up though. I'll get it cleaned up. So you still got 2 left.
Yep.
I got 4 left.
This one's gonna be interesting,
dude,
unless I pull it the same way.
That is the size of an eraser.
All right, after that target check, we took a break, got some water. We've got 5 rounds left each. We're gonna shoot those off, and then we're gonna go do something else. You'll see that in another video.
So my strategy for working on additional input is to drop the mag, shoot one, and then pull the trigger as if I still got the mag in and it loaded around, and that'll tell me whether I'm moving the muzzle a lot when I'm pulling the trigger. Do that a couple times and then suddenly your brain is confused. Does pulling the trigger mean it goes boom or not? I don't think I twitched too much. What do you think?
I didn't see too much.
Yeah. I think that was a little right.
You got it.
I think that I hit it. All
yeah,
right.
You got it.
I don't have enough bullets to get the rest of these. Maybe I can get the other big bullseye. I think I'm out, and I think I was right. All right, you're up. I love the finish on those mags in Italy, I think.
Now, comments section, if you remember the Scorpio stuff that we ran back in Midland, that would be a really great way to do flinch training with this. It doesn't like to go off all the time. We got a ton of misfires with it. About an inch below it. I did not catch where that one went.
It looked like it was right below, like an inch to the right of the other one. Well, let's take a look.
Yep.
Range code. I got it there.
Yeah, that counts.
That one's clean. That counts. Kissed it. I'm still impressed at that one, dude. That was impressive. Accidental or not.
Yeah.
That was... Did I put another one in that same... No, I didn't.
No.
And that was too far off, right? And it looks like I was still shooting to the right of that one.
little bit.
All right, you
This
got
was-
me, dude.
This was
3-1.
This was one of the ones that I put on this. Was it this one? Was the other?
It was that one.
I was gonna say I wasn't sure whether it was this one or that one.
I was pretty sure it was this one because
It had to.
pulled over.
It had to have been one of those two.
Yeah. No, I think this one might have been. It might have been for this, but
Yeah, and I definitely pulled that one trying to
yeah,
get this.
tough
But
stuff.
still, not bad.
Yeah. Pretty good.